start. I am like 4 or 5 videos behind now. It's just the way it is. I enjoy making videos, so if I'm too busy or I'm just not enjoying it, I just won't make any. But today is private day at Mallala, and I only drove 2 weeks ago and I was running late because I just put a new engine in the car, as you would have already seen probably. In the last 2 weeks I've been super busy, so I spent all of yesterday getting the car ready, replaced the broken axle, or the bent axle from hitting the wall. Well, placing the axle just got a bit more complicated because this is my spare diff and this is the one that I was just about to use. What else did I do? I ended up chucking the power tune dash in just so I can get some more accurate temps today. It's meant to be 38 degrees, so it's 5:45 now. We're meant to be on track at 7, just to try and get out before it gets too hot today. Yeah, I don't want to be driving when it's 38 degrees. Brittany's not going to want to be at the track when it's 38 degrees, so I ended up figuring out a couple of wiring gremlins, so I'll probably try and fix some more at the track today. Might try and chuck a switch on for the thermo fans. What else did I fix? I feel like I fixed way more than that. Yeah, that's not a great sign. Tell you what, I am a little bit suspicious of that guy right there. Alright, give it a press. Oh. Alright, right. Do another one. Oh, it's a boy. There's your problem. Dooney should be there today, so we'll catch up with Dooney. Scotty should be there as well. We'll get on track, we'll get some laps in. Hopefully the car's working good, and we can get some more tandems and get some cool clips for y'all. See you then. ankle at it.
Danny's about to take my rig for a lap, eh? Oh, this doesn't feel right. It's out of fuel?
Yeah, coming up the run up, it was
could be.
Coming up the run up, it was like falling on its face.
Yeah, I haven't checked on it. Could be out of gas.
Oh.
I can't get in you, man, dog. That's the first time this car's done a 360. Water on the garden, mate?
Yeah, floating on my head. Needed the bigger red cooler, did you? Hey? Needed the bigger red cooler. I'll take this, yeah.
Are you going to convert him to the Nissan?
I don't reckon
He's not going to forget his helmet, is he?
No, you won't forget it. It's like that beard. You never forget that thing.
Helmet. I fucking told you.
I told you I wouldn't forget the beard.
True.
cut you off. I knew something was wrong. I shouldn't have to call you back, 'cause now you're